Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Shiba Inu kung saan ngayon ay isa na po siya sa number 1 na most used payment methods dito kay CoinGate. Yan, maganda po itong development kay Shiba Inu. At yan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. At ayan, sabi po rito ay the sensational crypto token Shiba Inu has attained a significant milestone in the crypto payment landscape. Ayan, isa na namang pong milestone ang nakamit ni Shiba Inu. Ayan, dito sa pagdating dito sa crypto payment landscape. Ayan, bilang ginagamit bilang isang pambayad payment system. Ayan, in a recent tweet, leading payment processor CoinGate proudly declared that Shiba Inu has become one of its platform's most widely used payment methods. Ayan. Ayon po yan kay CoinGate. Isa po siyang leading na payment processor. Ayon po sa kanya ay sinabi niya na si Shiba Inu ang number 1 na platform. Number 1 sa kanyang platform na ginagamit ng maraming mga users bilang pambayad, bilang payment method. Ayan, CoinGate highlighted Shiba Inu's achievement while marking the second anniversary of welcoming SHIB into its payment family. Specifically, the payment processor disclosed that Shiba Inu has ascended to the 15th spot among the platform's preferred payment option. Ayan, 2 years ago, we welcomed SHIB to our family. Yan po, ayan kay CoinGate po yan. SHIB is the 15th most used payment method on CoinGate, enabling merchants worldwide to accept SHIB. SHIB Army is stronger than ever, being one of the most dedicated crypto communities to the more years to come. Kaya yan, 2 years na po pala sila dito kay CoinGate. Ayan, according to the notification, the achievement signifies a significant stride for Shiba Inu as it empowers merchants globally to accept SHIB transactions. Notably, CoinGate acknowledged the unwavering dedication of the enthusiastic Shiba Inu community, the SHIB Army. The firm recognized them as one of the most committed communities in the crypto space. Kaya yan, humahangang-hanga na rin si CoinGate sa SHIB Army or ang community ni Shiba Inu. Talagang napakatindi talaga ang community ni Shiba Inu. Yan, kaya marami talagang napapahanga sa kanila. With this announcement, CoinGate expressed enthusiasm for the continued growth and success of Shiba Inu. Also, the firm hinted at a more promising future for CoinGate and the SHIB community collaboration. SHIB Army is stronger than ever, being one of the most dedicated crypto communities to the more years to come, the statement read. Kaya ayan, talagang marami talagang humahanga sa SHIB Army. Kaya yan po talaga yung parang pinakamatibay na pundasyon or foundation ng Shiba Inu. Other platforms supporting Shiba Inu payments. Meanwhile, CoinGate is not the sole payment processor championing Shiba Inu, enabling merchants to accept this digital asset as a payment. Kaya hindi lamang daw po si CoinGate ang platform na payment processor. Marami pang iba. Yun nga lang, at si CoinGate ang talagang isa sa mga nangunguna pagdating sa ganitong serbisyo. The Crypto Basic has reported that FCF, a well-established Canadian crypto payment platform, supports Shiba Inu in exchange for various services in the United States. Ayan. Isa na rin po rito si FCF. Ayan, isa po siyang Canadian na crypto payment platform. Katulad na rin po ni CoinGate. It includes facilitating Shiba Inu payment for broad payments, flight tickets, bills, mortgages, and other offerings. Also, FCF supports other Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens, Bone, and Dodge, and Killer Leash. Similarly, Shiba Inu is tenable as payment on LaborX, a platform renowned for connecting clients and freelancers for crypto-based jobs. LaborX has also announced the integration of Bone as a payment method on its platform. Ayan na rin. Isa na rin po itong si LaborX, pero ito po ay isang platform para po sa mga freelancers. Ayan. Freelancers at sa kanilang mga clients. Ayan, ginagamit po ito para bayaran yung mga freelancers sa kanilang mga services at syempre yan po, ginagamit ang LaborX platform para mag-transact at bayaran. Ayan, ginagamit ng mga clients ang kanilang platform bilang isang payment processor para bayaran yung mga serbisyo ng mga freelancers. And ultimately, these moves underline a broader trend of increasing acceptance and integration of Shiba Inu tokens within the crypto payment landscape. Kaya yan, isa po itong magandang development kay Shiba Inu kasi unti-unti pong tinatanggap ang Shiba Inu ng iba't ibang mga payment platforms, payment processor platforms na katulad ni CoinGate, ayan, si FCF at saka si LaborX. Ayan, marami pang susunod dyan na gagamitin na rin ang Shiba Inu bilang isa or idadagdag si Shiba Inu bilang isa sa kanilang mga ginagamit na crypto payment options. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan, ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bagong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.